born in Panyagor, Southern Sudan, and grew up there to the age of 6. I was taking care of our cattle when in Southern Sudan, but upon being raided, we had to look for another source of livelihood. So I flew to Kakuma refugee camp.
I was born in Nairobi. Then we went to Kakuma. We are only 4 girls in our family. There at Nairobi, nobody stayed with us. We decided to go to Kakuma so that we can join school.
When you work in this area and you're trying to find products of social impact, you don't really start with the business case. You start with doing what is right and what good business should do. Good business should not overlook communities, be they marginalized or be they refugees, because there is value in serving all the communities. It's actually based around a principle that we call shared value, which is about how you're able to do business, redefine products and markets and services to serve those who are often underserved. The overarching theme of the SDGs is leaving no one behind. And we believe at Safaricom that our products and services really allow us to do that. By providing education to children, by using Bamba Chakula to restore dignity of parents as they purchase, by using products like M-PESA Solar, our pay-as-you-go lighting system that enables people to access clean green lighting, we're able to bridge the gap between the haves and the have-nots.
I was called by my aunt to come and live with her in Nakuru. So I got to Nakuru, and after a year my aunt took me to a public school where I studied. And when I got to standard 7, I was given a scholarship by a head teacher in a nearby private school to go and do my KCP over there. And that's where I got the form and applied to come to M-PESA Foundation Academy.
Life in this academy is so good. Environment is so good. Learning is good. I have interacted with people of different counties. The best thing is that we have been provided with everything that we need for our learning. Like since we have been given iPads.
My life has changed greatly since I got to this academy. And I've experienced many changes interacting with many students from all over the country, and it has changed my life in that I never knew that I'll ever go to high school, and coming to M-PESA really assured me much, and I even have big dreams right now that I can even complete my education. I think my greatest achievement is making it to M-PESA Foundation Academy. Being a person who has not had so many achievements in life, coming all the way from my village in Southern Sudan, through Kakuma, making it to Nakuru, and even here right now, the interview was intense. We applied as many people, but I was the only one selected to come here, so I can consider that a great achievement. For you to be a refugee is not by choice, it is by circumstances. And when you should do your best to help refugees and help them attain their peace back, because today it might be them and then tomorrow it might be you, and you might need the same help.
I think central to resolving the global refugee crisis is recognizing and acknowledging that refugees have rights. And in those rights comes the right to access healthcare, the right to access education, and the right for economic empowerment. And every sort of business will probably find their niche within that. We've seen a couple of banks sprout up in Kakuma and Dadaab because they're now serving the small enterprises that have grown up there. We've seen lots of NGOs working in the education sector, a lot of health providers. The issue is just to find the balance between providing things which are philanthropic, which address an immediate need but are not necessarily sustainable, to finding how you can promote and build a community through sustainable solutions. By being able to reconceive your markets and your products, you are able to actually do business with marginalized communities. It does a couple of things. First of all, it helps uplift communities. It helps restore a sense of entrepreneurship or business that also gives dignity to communities. And thirdly, at the end of the day, it does make good business. What connectivity has helped us learn, first of all, is that all of our aspirations are the same. They want to be lawyers, they want to be doctors, they want to be engineers, they want to be musicians. So indeed, linking them up with people who've been able to achieve that, many from different but difficult circumstances, I think has provided them that motivation.
I would like to be a president. That's something I've really dreamed for, and I believe if I continue learning and be nurtured in the academy like it's happening, I'll be able to achieve all that.